Welcome back, everybody. I'm the EagleFan. This is my channel. What do I do here other than have this weird, crazy thing on my chin? Let me know what you think about that. I've been testing it out. Don't know what to do with it. Don't know how long to let it go. So at this point, I've just been letting it go just to see where it goes. Anyway, that's not why you're here. That's not why I'm here. I am here to react to a song. This is actually an interesting story, I guess, depending on what you consider interesting. It is something that while watching a video with the cast of Squid Game, one of the actors actually did like a quick little couple lines of this song, and they mentioned who it was, and I thought sounded like it might be a nice pleasant song to listen to, so let me check it out. I had no idea what really to expect here. Never have heard of the singer, so let me know any details down below. This is, and hopefully I'm pronouncing this correctly, Kang San-Eh. The song is, and man, this is a long name for a song, longer than what I'm used to. Like the lively salmon rising against the river stream. It might be like those lively salmon. I don't know. It's either the or those. The actual title of the video itself was the. The title up here is those. So it's one of those. Let me know also if you know what the actual title is, or if it's a situation of a differing title based on the I'm sorry. Phew, totally lost myself there. Forgive me, I tend to do that sometimes. It's that whole post-COVID brain thing, I think, still getting me. So, anyway, let me know what you know about the song. But before that, let's actually listen to the song. It might be good if I were to listen to the song before I start asking for your opinions of the song. That would make sense, especially if you haven't heard the song. Let's go to this screen. Or this screen. Whichever one we get to. This is the one that'll work. I'm ready. You guys out there ready? I think we need to do this. Okay, sorry, before we get too much farther in there, I gotta say, I like his voice. I'm liking this nice, pleasant, mellow sound. And let me know with the translation how close that English translation at the bottom is to what it's saying up above that. I only say that because in many of those cases, it looks like the there's much more said in Korean than what the English translation shows. So something tells me it's one of those scenarios that the actual meaning may be lost in translation compared to what an English phrase might be. I've seen that with a lot of things that were going on in Squid Game, so it might be the same kind of thing here. But let's hear more. Okay, sorry, that was a really bad spot to pause. I'm going to go back just a little. I am really enjoying this. This is just very, very mellow, very nice, very peaceful sound, and I'm liking the lyrics as far as what I'm seeing here in the English lyrics in terms of the meaning behind the song. It's kind of an inspiration. I like that. This is just, I am glad I did this. Glad I was watching that video with the cast of Squid Game. This was actually the actor who played Sang-woo who was singing this, or a very small little portion of this. Some sort of question as to who would be more likely to do karaoke, I believe was the question on there. So let's hear the rest of this. 그래 다시 가다 보면 걸어가다 보면 어느 날 그 모든 일들은 감사해 하겠지. 힘찬 연어들처럼 걸어가다 보면 걸어가다 보면 걸어가다 보면 Okay. Oops,
10
sorry.
years,
Wow.
people!
I didn't mean for that to get going and start up. Let's cut back over to this other screen. So, that was impressive. I liked that. That was, again, forgive me if I'm wrong here, Kang San-Eh, like those lively salmon rising against the river stream. I liked it. I liked that I got to at least kind of see a little bit of the actual translated lyrics here, so I get a better idea. Based on the name of the song, I had a feeling it was going to be something similar to that. And I like that I got to hear that, because I really don't need to see that now. Now it's all about just hearing the music. So if I listen to this again, put this on, actually I shouldn't say if I listen to this again, this can easily make it onto a hammock playlist. I could easily see myself just laying there listening to that. Especially I like some of the actual musical pieces in there had a little bit of a island feel to it in some of that, almost down underneath, almost something that I could imagine hearing in Hawaii, only from what I've seen on TV at the beach. Never got to go there myself yet. It's still on that bucket list though. But that really has nothing to do with this part now, does it? Let me know your thoughts. What do you think of the song? Do you know anything about the singer? If you do, any information is always appreciated. I go into these, or I try to generally go into these reactions knowing as little as possible. I've looked at a couple of times in the past, depending on what the situation is. I'll look up the band, or even read a few comments from about the song, or not about the song, but about on the video. So in this case, like comments on the YouTube video, to kind of judge a feel for it a little bit. If it's a band that I know a little bit more about, then I'll be a little bit more apt to look at those comments. If it's a band I don't know anything about, I probably will not look at the comments. If anything, I might just look up to see where a band may have come from, to have an idea there. Because I don't want to be swayed when I go into this. I don't want to read something that gets me thinking the wrong thing about the band and then be completely either disappointed or have a preset notion going in. I don't want to have that. So with this, I know nothing about this singer other than the gentleman who played Sang-woo sang a bar, maybe 2 bars of this song in a video that I watched about the Squid Game cast. So let me know your thoughts down below. Any other suggestions? Always appreciated. I will be getting back to my commenter suggestions once I can start actually getting this run of videos going, so I can get something out every day and start getting back to a little bit more of what my schedule used to be pre-COVID. I would like that. Thank you guys again. You guys are always appreciated. I don't remember if I said the like, comment, subscribe, click on the little bell if you want to know if I have a new video coming out soon. I see how bad my COVID brain is. I don't remember if I said that. If I did, I will edit one of these out, most likely. Thank you again. And also, with that whole last spiel, it's always appreciated. It's never pressured. Only as you so feel fit and feel compelled. I'm making up my own words now. Be good to each other. It's what we need. It'll help the world become a better place. Yes, I seem like I've become a hippie. But, oh well. Stay safe and healthy. It also makes the world a better place with you in it. And keep your eyes to the sky. There could be something that you see up there that could be inspiring. Take care, everybody. Until next time.